Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, my friends, update here on HIMS and HERS Health, ticker HIMS, guys. I made already here a couple of videos about this ticker. If you want to see more stocks like that, guys, or especially for this ticker, please hit the like button, guys. And if you don't want to miss any updates, the subscribe button. If you don't like this video, then I expect that you don't want to see videos like that, so please hit the like button if you want to see more videos about HIMS and HERS, guys. Yeah, yesterday, guys, crash minus 34%. I'm not surprised, to be very honest. If you have seen my previous videos, then you already know my chart. I give you now here an update why this crash happened and where are the support price levels. This is, of course, not financial advice. Yeah, guys, this is my chart. I, of course, zoom out in a second and show you the complete setup. But as I said, it's not a surprise. I mentioned it already here a couple of weeks ago that we have here a breakout trigger, aka algo supply zone, guys, at $62.50. Algo supply means resistance. The market makers sell off their positions here. They don't want that HIMS goes over this price level. HIMS is a very highly shorted stock, guys. Yeah, we have here a short interest of more than 30%, and the short sellers here absolutely don't want that the price leave this range here, because then they maybe are forced to cover their positions, and that could bring them a huge loss, and for HIMS a massive short squeeze, guys. So let's press play. Let's see what my chart is telling us here, and then we talk about the next price levels. Here we go. Squeeze attempt 1, squeeze attempt 2, and boom, sayonara, guys. Here we go. So you can see this is my chart, a few weeks old chart, guys. I never change my charts. I just show you here now the temporary support price level. And as I mentioned before, $62.50 is where the market makers are selling off, which is, of course, confirmed here by this gap down. We had here a full green candle body, guys. This is very bullish, a full green candle body over this price line. You can see that we never had that here in the past. This is not a full candle body. This also not. This is a red candle body. So there was a chance for HIMS to start a short squeeze, but the market makers, yeah, pull the rug, and this is where we are right now, guys. Yeah, why do I tell you that, guys? I zoom out and show you here the complete setup now, because I always try to predict short squeezes here in the market, guys, or breakouts. It doesn't have to be a short squeeze, but we have here a nice breakout setup, and of course a bullish setup overall for HIMS and HERS. So this is, in my opinion, a nice buying opportunity here, but I would never ever buy this stock here in the $50 to $60 range, guys. That's why we talk here about the price levels. The setup here is the same for any typical breakout or squeeze stock in the market. I can show you here a couple of examples, guys. We had here yesterday a 233% short squeeze. Yeah, this is one of my member stocks, which I only post here on Patreon. And you can see here the day when I posted this stock here on Patreon. It was here 10th of June. We just traded here in this blue box, had one final dip, and then we squeezed 233% after my prediction, guys. Yeah, same like for HIMS and HERS. I will show you the price levels here as well. The same week, guys, last week also we had this squeeze here, 333%. Sorry. Same setup. I posted this stock here, this green buying box, guys. We have this for HIMS and HERS here. I show you that, guys. And then we had a squeeze of 333%. Why do I tell you that, guys? Because there are a lot of opportunities in the market to make some money. I always show these tickers here on Patreon. So if you want to see my secret squeeze breakout plays, you can join us here. The full package membership is my most popular membership, guys. Every day, new members joining in. We growing, we become here a very strong community, unstoppable. And if you new to trading or even an advanced trader, I also have here very helpful trading tutorials which show you how to trade, which indicators, which broker you can use, and so on. So I have a lot of content available here. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is also available in the video description. So for HIMS and HERS, guys, let's zoom out. So very flat chart pattern. You can see here all the price goals for a short squeeze, guys. Yeah. Everything what is happening here right now is not a short squeeze, guys. This is a typical algo squeeze. That's why for now, for HIMS and HERS, yeah, I don't expect here a big support. We have, of course, now here the situation that the stock gapped down, which is good. I like that. I hate gap ups, but I love gap downs. And we have now here one open gap, guys, waiting at $61.51. We marked it here in green. So sooner or later, yeah, we have here the chance to go back to this price level and close the open gap. But in my opinion, there is no strong support here. Yes, we have some volatile zone here. We can see this gap up here and this gap up. So there is some volatility here in this price range. But in my opinion, the main support, temporary guys, temporary main support for HIMS and HERS is here in the $35 range here. Somewhere between $34, $36, $37, depending on the day, is the temporary squeeze support for HIMS and HERS. So as long as the stock trades above $35, it is still bullish, guys. If we go below, it is technically bearish, but for me personally, super bullish. Why? Because then we go finally back here in my main algo demand zone. This is where I will buy HIMS, guys. I don't FOMO in. I never FOMO in, guys. We have so many squeeze stocks here every week. It just makes no sense to FOMO into stocks. That's why I can just recommend to check out here my Patreon. But if you want to trade the stock, yeah, my personal opinion, where I see the perfect algo demand zone here, aka buy-in price, is between $25 and $15. Why? Because we have here a trend channel pattern for HIMS and HERS, and this was here a squeeze. Yes, we came down in this box, had a massive pre-squeeze, post-squeeze here. In total, when we measure this price action here, 180%. And this is the reason why I would not buy below this, above this price box here. $35 could be a swing trade here for this open gap, of course. So when we just measure this, we have here a potential of 75% or more. Yeah, don't forget this, guys. This squeeze trigger here does not change if HIMS and HERS can go above $62.50 with volume and can keep the price here. Then, guys, the short sellers have a big problem. We can see that here in Fintel, we have a short interest of 31%. This is the reported short interest. That means that the market makers are not happy with the actual price. They will try to short the stock down. 31 is massive, guys. This is a massive short interest. So if they don't dilute the stock, and when the market makers cannot bring the price down in this box, they have a big problem, guys. The market makers have a problem. So HIMS and HERS is definitely a short squeeze play. But is that a reason to FOMO in, or is this the reason to buy here in the high price ranges, guys? Never, never, ever I would do that. Please make your own due diligence. It's your decision, but I can just tell you, this is just not right or not smart to do that. The smart money is buying the dip, and the smart money is buying here at $11, then here at $13. This is where they, buy the dip here at $23. This is here the zone where the smart money is buying, and everything here in this high price range is FOMO. Even we have a squeeze potential. You can see the first short squeeze landing zone. So if we leave this trend channel here, this is, by the way, guys, yeah, when we trade above this trend channel here and see $62 as a resistance, you can see a bearish wedge is building up. So this is not bullish, guys. Yeah, I draw that here just one more time that you can see that. This is a bearish wedge pattern, guys, and this is usually what happens. You break down to the downside. This is what we now exactly saw here happening for HIMS and HERS. So keep that in mind, guys. If we see a short squeeze, or if you want to see a short squeeze, we have to stay above $62.50. There is a very good chance that we retest this price level again, but my opinion is that $35 is now the temporary support, yeah. But you can see that the main party here is going on in the $25 to $15 range. This is, in my opinion, here the perfect range for accumulating positions or buying into the stock here, not financial advice. If you want to copy here the price calls, guys, then you can use here the same program what I'm using. This is called TradingView. This is what I use for all my videos and all my trades. There is a TradingView discount link in the video description, and as I mentioned before, also the Patreon member link if you want to see here my short squeeze stocks is available in the video description. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. As I said, also I want to know if you want to see more videos on HIMS and HERS. If you want to see more, I at least expect here 200 likes. If not, then I know that this ticker is not interesting for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.